Yeah, I'm Sholklapper. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Voltaiq.
My name is Eli Leland. I'm the CTO and co-founder at Voltaiq.
Yeah, so we actually met in New York. We were both brought on to lead programs to commercialize new energy technologies at the City University of New York.
Our group had developed some very early software scripting tools to scrape the data out of our test equipment and make it available in a web browser rather than having to go directly to the equipment with a thumb drive.
I was able to, in real time, start looking at the performance of these batteries, and I realized I could start making decisions on what was the next iteration, how to improve these things in a matter of days.
This very primitive piece of software was literally running on a discarded PC in the corner of the lab, and that PC became the most important piece of equipment for the whole facility, for teams of dozens of engineers and students and external collaborators. That was sort of the aha moment for me, was just seeing that it just looked like a high-value enterprise software problem, and it was almost like shocking to me that no one had already recognized it and was already pursuing it. So it's almost like we had to step into that opportunity.
As soon as we started to call up other friends throughout the industry, asking them how they were doing this kind of work, and it kept on coming back to, it was a lot of Excel, a lot of home-built tools, and it wasn't very efficient. And so the thing that was immediate, we deployed our first very early software at a customer, and people are literally doing things that would take them, thousands of times longer to do. They could do in a matter of seconds now with the software. We, take that disparate data that comes from a variety of different sources. We put it all into a common platform. We help create traceability and link that data in an appropriate fashion. We harmonize it and put it all into a common language as well. And then we automatically extract the key metrics or features from those batteries to help you understand physically in the electrochemistry what's happening in that battery cell.
Understanding batteries through data and data analytics capability are so central to the enterprise of engineering battery systems that we see the potential for a company like Voltaiq to become as central to our industry as, say, like GitHub is for software engineering.
The battery industry is now maturing and batteries are becoming core to a range of businesses. We're now at the point where cost really isn't the driver. Really now it's moved to full-scale production, and in order to achieve full-scale production, you need volume and you need quality, and you have to decrease scrap rates and really get those products out the door as reliably, as quickly as you can. And to do that, they'd prefer to have that from a best-in-class solutions provider like Voltaiq. We're genuinely excited to go out there and support customers and make them successful, and everyone is really aligned around that vision around electrification and helping accelerate that transition, and excited to give you a solution that helps you do that today.